Hi everyone! So today we are going to do my little makeup routine. I'm also going to be reviewing these products I have from Flower Knows. Their box is just beautiful and their products are absolutely adorable. So first let's open these products and then we'll get right into the makeup routine. So we have first Live Your Fairy Tales. So cute. Okay. Oh. I only ordered like a couple things from here. So they gave me this for free, an eyelash curler, which I usually don't use, but I could start using these. Cute. Then we have card. I'm not gonna read that. The eyeliner that I did order. And look how pretty that is. It's blue. I hope this lasts long. This is what the tip looks like. We'll see how well that works, but hopefully it lasts long. I ordered some mascara. That is so pretty. It's nice and heavy. Not too heavy though, but you can tell it's not made out of cheap material. Aww. They gave me some stickers, lots of free gifts, which is so sweet. They give you makeup removing wipes, and that's for free because I didn't order this. I only ordered the mascara and the eyeliner. And look at what else. I knew I was gonna get this because they said it was gonna be a free gift. I'm so excited about this. It's not a necklace, but it is a beautiful, this is a mirror. It just has this film over it so you can't see the reflection yet. Look at the back of that. So cute. I absolutely love this. Okay, so I've been waiting to order from this company and I'm so excited I did. So let's move on into the makeup routine. So I do my makeup super simple and fast. I guess you could, I wouldn't call it like a no makeup makeup routine because I mean I feel like it looks like I have makeup on, but I would just say like a soft, simple glam, well not even glam, just soft makeup. I need to get some new concealer because this is the shade I used for the summer and it's winter now, so it definitely doesn't match my shade, but we're just gonna go with it. Okay, that's not my first step actually. First things first, I like to do my eyebrows. So I'll just brush my eyebrows just like so. And then I love this for my eyebrows. I don't think it's an actual eyebrow pencil. I think it's just eyeliner. But this stuff stays on and it's worked the best than anything else I've used. I've used a lot of other different eyebrow products. This is the Maybelline by New York if you're wanting to go get it. And I love how you can just make it longer or shorter just by twisting it, and it lasts for a long time. So I'll just fill in my eyebrows. Just a little light. like that, and I fill in a little bit in the front. All done. I'm making a video and I don't want you guys, I'm sorry. My friend's dog is here because I'm dog sitting. Okay. Then my other eyebrow, just like a super simple, don't do that. Simple fill. And then to kind of get these rough corners off, I like to come back in with the spoolie and kind of blend it out a bit and then rub it with my finger. Just really simple. Good thing is my bangs pretty much cover my eyebrows, so they don't have to be perfect. And I don't care if they are or not. Then I'll just lightly come back and fix some of these pieces I messed up. Okay, that's good. Eyebrows are done. Then I like to go in with my concealer. And I just put the concealer under my eyes. There. There. And then on my chin. Give it a little highlight. On my forehead. Then I'll take my beauty blender and blend these out. Okay. And then I take my Fenty foundation that doesn't match my shade, but that's okay. Put a little bit on my beauty blender and put it on my eyelid because I don't want it to look like I got raccoon eyes. There we go. Then I'll take my powder and I just use the same beauty blender and put my powder on. I don't let it sit because I think that's just a waste of time for me. I don't really see the difference. So I just put it right on. I'm not a makeup artist. I just do my makeup to look more fancy. And tonight I'm doing it to just sit at home because I'm not going anywhere. But I wanted to make a video for you guys. Do it all in those same spots that I've already highlighted. So chin and then forehead. Also do above my eye. I'll do just the leftover powder on my nose so it's not like super oily. Done. As for skincare, I did do my skincare earlier, so I'm sorry you guys didn't get to see that, but I really only do one thing, which is the Pond's moisturizer, and that's what I do. So then we are going to go in with this is actually Kylie Jenner matte lipstick, and this is what I use for my blush. So what I like to do is just take some of this, rub it on my finger, and rub it right on my cheek, and then blend it in with my finger, like so. And then same thing on this side. And then I'll just add like a tiny bit on my nose. We'll go in with the mascara that I got from Flower Nose. So for the mascara, you guys got the good angle down there. Okay, let's go in again. Okay, next I'm gonna curl my lashes first because I forgot to do that. It's not working the best. The kind that I normally use as of now is a Fenty Beauty, but it's like basically dry, but I still feel like this one works better with like spreading my lashes and getting them up there. But I'm not gonna give up on it yet. I'm gonna go through it with another layer of the mascara, and this time I'm gonna try this side with my curler, and I will also, once this dries, curl this side. So let's see if this curler works. My eyelashes are pretty short, but I don't like wearing fake lashes personally. I like the more natural look of like regular on me. I've seen some people like heat this up and then curl their lashes, which is a good idea. Now let's go in with the mascara. So I think I'll be curling them from now on because I definitely see a difference. Now do you see how much longer these look? I'm gonna take a spoolie and go through this lash. These look longer. These ones just look clumpy, so I'm not loving that look, but now I know for next time. Can you see the difference? These ones are looking a bit clumpy. Now we're gonna do my last final step of my makeup, besides my lips, of course, which is, oh, actually I got a new eyeliner. Let's hope that works. My new eyeliner. I like to do like a really short wing. So just like that. Okay. Done. I do like the way this works so far, so let's just hope it lasts long, because the problem with a lot of these, they just like dry out really fast. Last thing I want to do is my lips. We have a lip liner, and this is in Haze. I really like the pinked color, but we'll just use this because the pink one is in one of my purses and I don't feel like going to grab it. This is the lip stain where you put it on and then you peel it off. Done. Now we'll let this dry. In the meantime, we have this. It is the Tarte Fake Awake, and I don't normally put this on, but I need to do something while this is drying, so I'm just gonna add a tiny bit on the inside of my eye, like that. Then I'm gonna take the end of this, which is like a smudger, and just smudge it like that. Do you see a difference? I don't really use this because I just never loved the outcome. I don't think it really enhances my makeup look. Cute, like maybe right here. I like that. I might start doing that under my eye actually, because that kind of looks cute. I'm just gonna peel it off. Like there's not much of a difference with these. I think the pink works better on my skin. But this one is Haze, and I think it's supposed to be darker than the pink, like more of a brown shade. I do think they don't stay on that long, and they're not the best, so I usually don't wear highlighter or anything like that. This is really it. This is all, and then lip gloss, of course. And my lip gloss is in my purse, so I'm not gonna grab that now, but that's it for today. Doing a little cute pose for the photo. So basically, that is it. Thank you for watching. I'm going to be posting more often on my YouTube, and I probably have said that before, but I'm actually very serious this time. I'm super excited to show you all the fun things I like to do on this channel. I'll be posting about my party planning business. I'll be posting a lot of crafts, like for my fairy garden in the spring and for like home decor. I love to do lots of crafts, so I'll be posting all of that, and also just cute videos like this, unboxing videos, and things like that. So just stay tuned, and I'll be seeing you in the future.